Understanding, deployment, and practical examples. Introduction to honeypots. A honeypot is a cybersecurity system designed to attract attackers by mimicking vulnerable systems, services, or applications. The goal is to detect unauthorized access, study attacker behavior, divert attacks from real assets. Honeypots serve as a trap that collects valuable threat intelligence while misleading attackers into thinking they are compromising a real system. Types of honeypots. Honeypots can be categorized based on their purpose and interaction level. 1. Based on purpose. Production honeypots, used in live environments to detect and block threats in real time. Research honeypots, used to study cyber threats, focusing on attacker behavior. 2. Based on interaction level. Low interaction honeypots mimic limited services to catch basic attacks, e.g., botnet scans. Medium interaction honeypots offer some interaction but restrict deep access. High interaction honeypots simulate full systems to analyze sophisticated attackers. 3. Specialized honeypots. Malware honeypots attract malicious software to analyze its behavior. Spam honeypots collect spam emails to detect phishing trends. Database honeypots monitor unauthorized database access attempts. Client honeypots simulate users to catch browser-based attacks. Practical example: deploying a simple SSH honeypot. A common attack vector is brute force attempts on SSH servers. We can set up a honeypot that logs failed login attempts and gathers intelligence on attacker behavior. Step 1. Install Cowrie, an SSH honeypot. Cowrie is an open-source SSH honeypot that mimics a real system. Installation commands: Linux. Once running, attackers attempting to log in will interact with a fake SSH server. Their IP addresses, attempted passwords, and commands will be logged. Step 2. Analyze attack data. Cowrie stores attack logs in cowrie/log/cowrie.json. Example log entry. This log entry shows an attacker from 192.168.1.105 attempting to log in as admin with password 12,345. The attacker then tries to run a destructive command, rmrf/. Step 3. Block attackers with a firewall. Once we identify attack sources, we can block them dynamically. Example script. This script 1. Reads the honeypot logs. 2. Extracts unique attacker IP addresses. 3. Blocks those IPs using a firewall rule. Example 2. Creating a simple web honeypot. Attackers often scan websites for vulnerabilities. We can create a fake login page that logs credentials entered by attackers. Step 1. Create a fake login page. Step 2. Capture attacker credentials. This script logs any credentials entered and redirects attackers to an error page. Real users wouldn't fall for this since it's not linked anywhere. Only scanners or hackers would find it. Benefits of honeypots. 1. Early threat detection helps detect and analyze attacks before they reach actual systems. 2. Threat intelligence provides real-world data on hacker techniques. 3. Diverting attacks protects actual assets by luring attackers to decoys. 4. Minimal false positives. Unlike firewalls, honeypots generate logs only when there's an actual attack attempt. Challenges and risks. 1. Potential for abuse. If not properly isolated, attackers could exploit the honeypot itself. 2. Legal considerations. Collecting attacker data must comply with privacy laws. 3. Maintenance overhead. Requires continuous monitoring to stay effective. Real-world case study. Tracking brute force attacks. A security researcher deployed an SSH honeypot for 1 month and recorded 120,000 login attempts from various countries. Most common username attempts: admin, root user. Most common password attempts: 123456, password, admin. Attack frequency: every 30 seconds, a new attempt was made. Result: the logs helped block IP addresses of known attackers. The honeypot provided insights into the most common brute force tactics used by hackers. Conclusion: honeypots are powerful tools in cybersecurity, providing invaluable insights into attacker methods while protecting real assets. By deploying honeypots like Cowrie, SSH, or web-based traps, security teams can analyze attack patterns, improve defenses, and proactively mitigate risks.